The sirens became the soundtrack of a capital city under attack today. Below us, as we broadcast, Ukrainian troops hurrying for cover. The boxes carry the ammunition with which they will endeavour to defend this place when the Russians come. And then an altogether different sound. The bells ringing out from the golden-domed cathedral named after St. Michael, appropriately enough, the protector of Kiev. And below, by the mural, we witnessed this. We don't know her name, we don't know her at all, but we could guess what she was praying for. It was a moment to remember in an inexplicable war which with every passing hour closes in on this city. A city where the AK-47 has joined the phone as the must-have accessory. A city where they pray their country and their freedom can survive whatever the coming days bring. Mark Austin, Sky News, Kiev.